Hi everybody, and welcome to the sealant demonstration video. The first thing that you're going to do for the tooth that you're going to put the sealant on is use a small toothbrush to brush the grooves on the surface of the tooth. This will help to remove any food particles or other things that don't belong under your sealant. The second thing you can do is use an explorer to explore all of the grooves of the tooth to make sure that any stickier plaque or sticky foods such as gummy bears get out of the grooves before you place your sealant. Once you're satisfied that all of the material that can be removed has been removed from the sealant, you're going to apply a gel etchant. You want to be careful not to use too much etchant and only apply the etchant to the grooves in which you're going to be sealing. Once the grooves have etchant in them, count to 30 seconds for the etchant to work. That's not quite 30 seconds, but we'll move on. You're going to rinse the etchant completely off the tooth, and then you're going to dry the tooth completely with your air water syringe. Once the tooth has been properly etched, it will show up as a white, chalky surface. This shows you that the tubules on the tooth have been opened and the tooth is now prepared for the sealant to bond. You're next going to apply your sealant directly into the grooves on the teeth, and again you want to use just enough to fill the grooves. On bottom molars, it's important to make sure to get the buccal groove on the tooth, and on a top molar such as this, you want to make sure to get the occlusal lingual groove as well. It's always a good idea to use an explorer to spread just a tiny amount of the sealant into every little groove without using too much. Once the grooves are adequately filled with just a dollop of sealant material, you'll use a curing light to harden them. After 20 seconds with your curing light, make sure to test the sealant for strength and retention and to make sure that all areas are hardened. If the sealant pops off, the sealant did not properly adhere to the tooth and you must start over. Thank you for watching this sealant demonstration video.